Introduction to HTML5 and HTML Viewer. HTML5 is the current major version of HTML with several improvements for web development. HTML Viewer is a tool for viewing HTML source code in a readable format. This tool is crucial for web development for understanding, debugging, and modifying code. Understanding the HTML Viewer. HTML Viewer presents the source code of an HTML file in a user-readable format. It displays raw HTML code in a structured manner with proper indentation and spacing. This tool is beneficial when working with complex or lengthy HTML files. How to use HTML Viewer. Most modern web browsers have a built-in HTML Viewer, accessible via the Inspect Element or View Source options in the browser menu. After opening an HTML file in the browser, use these options to view the HTML source code. Benefits of using HTML Viewer. HTML Viewer provides a clear, organized view of the HTML code. It's useful for understanding the code's structure and hierarchy. This tool helps in debugging and modifying the code, as well as learning HTML. Common errors and how to avoid them. Common errors include not properly closing HTML tags, which can lead to incorrect code display. Always close HTML tags for correct code display. Another common error is using incorrect or unsupported HTML tags. Always ensure to use correct HTML5 tags and check browser support. Tips and tricks for using HTML Viewer. Use HTML comments to annotate your code for better understanding. HTML comments are not displayed in the HTML Viewer, but can be viewed in the source code. Use HTML Viewer's search functionality to quickly find specific sections of your code. Conclusion: HTML Viewer is a powerful tool for viewing and understanding HTML code. Effective use of HTML Viewer can improve web development skills, write cleaner and more efficient code, and avoid common errors.